Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Pasteloween Memorydex cards that I created. Super chunky, super layered. I decided to play around with Serena B's collections. So there's two collections in my cards. I have Love Bites, and it's a Valentine's Day collection, but it goes with Halloween. And her Spooky Pastel. I used a bunch of her cards from her Spooky Pastel collection. Look, you guys, I love this. There's a lot of black and white, the purple, the pink. The only papers that I didn't use were these that says love and the hearts, the little lollipops. But you guys, you need to go check it out. It's super perfect for Pasteloween. I used a bunch of glitter paper, black cardstock, and like I said, her ephemera pieces from her collection, as well as her cards and the paper. So I'm gonna have both her collections linked down below. You guys need them in your life, especially if you're into Pasteloween. You guys, I really started off creating orange and black, and then once I started Pasteloween, I can't seem to get out of it. I absolutely love them. So creating Pasteloween is so much easier for me because I'm super girly. So that's why I think that I stick more to the whole pastels. But you guys, these cards will be up for sale. So if you are interested, you just shoot me an email. First come, first serve. Just tell me which one you're interested. Hopefully it's still available. And yeah, let me get into each card to show you guys what they look like. I used let me see, for the cards, I used an SVG cut that has kind of like a little binding. Like that right here, the little lacing. That's an SVG cut. I was gonna say coffin and cut at the same time. An SVG cut. And then Serena B also has on her side coffins. She's got like a nesting die, SVG. And that's the one that I used for some other cards. So definitely go check her out. I love her stuff. But let's start over here. So here's the first one. I have these little stickers from, where is this from? I think it's, let me see, hold on a second, you guys. Jolie's Boutique. I had to look at another pack. Jolie's Boutique. And I had seen Shara Crane post with these little ghosties. I only had one pack, and I was like, yep, I'm gonna throw them on these cards. Excuse me. And that's what I did. I put a little, kind of like a little glittery pole on all the cards. I love the little accent that it gives it. There's tons of layers, you guys. They're super sturdy. It's double cardstock. And it's just tons of like layers that you can just stare at and find all new little bits. There's little tags in the back. I absolutely love how they turned out. So that's the first one. Then we have this one. I added little bits and pieces to all of them. They all have, well, the majority of them have the little Ouija board with the little eyeball. You guys, I am obsessed with her paper. All I have to do is add my little label. I'm getting some labels from Shara Crane. She's such an inspiration, and I'm gonna get some labels from her, and I'm gonna be putting them on my cards. And there's this one. I made the little coffins that I used for, what is it? The coffins that I used from Serena B. I put tulle, and it's a shaker in the back. So cute. Look, you guys. There's bows, there's spiders, so many layers. Crafty Witch. And we have this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed with the whole pink thing and the teal blue. I love the little candies sticking out of there. Then we have this one. I figured I'd put like a little skeleton. He's actually from Create Paper After Dark. I just wanted to put something on the coffin. I did stitching. The Memorydex card is completely stitched all the way around, and it's using all her papers. And we have this one. I love this because there's like a lot of little, that's actually pillow stuffing, you guys. Look at that. There's just tons of layers. There's tulle in the bottom. There's rosettes. There's the pink cheesecloth. So cute. Then we have this one. So they all have similarities. As you can see, this one I added like some candy corns, and then there's like a little black element in the back. And then this one with the other ghosty, because I think it's, you get 2 ghosts, I think, in the pack, or 3. I think you get 3 ghosts in the pack. But yeah, you guys, those are my little Pasteloween Memorydex cards. I love them so much. It's going to be so hard to part with them, but it's why I created them. And yeah, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below which one is your favorite. Are you guys into Pasteloween? What are you guys creating? Talk to me, talk to me. And yeah, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.